So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to order DoorDash with cash. So starting off, there isn't a direct way to pay in cash for standard orders on the DoorDash app. But what you can do is order either through a specific website that supports cash on delivery or COD, or you can get a gift card that's paid with cash and then order with that. So there's a couple ways uh, to bypass that restriction. So starting off, you can open the app itself. On here, you can see a couple of different payment methods. So once you get to your checkout, so let's just choose something to get to card. And you can go ahead and add this to order. Go to your cart, and as you could see, there isn't a direct way that's going to give you the option to pay in cash. So as I mentioned before, what you can do is to input a gift card that's going to drastically reduce that's paid in cash. So that's a way to bypass that specific requirement. What you can do also is build your cart on the restaurant's direct site, proceed to checkout, and look if there is a cash on delivery payment option if they support it. So you can check out the offers and make your order within DoorDash, but you will need to find a different approach if you want to really pay in cash for your order. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on DoorDash or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.